Now we understand about one of the functions of called as treatise. Treatise is used when we want to apply filters from one table to another table without creating a physical relationship. This function is extremely useful in real world Power BI models where relationships are missing, inactive, and not possible. Let's start with the business problem. We have a sales table, a product table, but these tables are not directly related. Still, the business wants to analyze sales by product, sales by category. Normally, this would require relationship, but in some cases, that's not possible. The problem with our relationship is that filters don't flow, slices don't work properly, and measures return incorrect or blank values. Power BI simply doesn't know how the tables are connected. This is where treatise comes into play. Treatise allows you to treat values from one column as if they belong to another column. Even when no relationship exists, tables are unrelated. Relationships cannot be created due to model limitations. Think of treatise as a virtual relationship creator. The syntax looks like as that is displayed, but we'll see into our practical examples as well. It takes a source column or table, a target column, and applies the source values as filters on the target. The basic example, suppose we have a product name in one table and product name in another table. We can write treat as values product and product name, sales product name. This tells Power BI treat selected products as filters on the sales table. Treat as always works inside the calculate. Like this is the form, this is the expression that we need to write and argument. So this applies the product filter dynamically during the calculations. You might ask, why not just create a relationship? But sometimes tables come from different sources. Keys don't match perfectly. Relationship cause ambiguity. You need temporary filtering logic. Treat as solves all this using cases cleanly. In real world, a common real world use case like a budget table has product names, sales tables has product IDs. No direct relationships exist. Using treat S, we can still compare budget versus sales, apply slices, build accurate KPIs. So now we have seen this into a theoretical version. We'll also see for a practical example of this particular function. So now let's just see the practical example of using a tree test. So here we have this relationship with each and like with like alternate tables. So each table has a relationship with other table, right? But here deemed date and monthly expense doesn't have any relationship, or there's like no kind of a proper scope where we can make the relationship work. So here what we can do is we can use a treat as here. So simply we just have to create a new measure here, seeing expense total is equal to calculate the sum of monthly expense. Okay, then we'll close the parenthesis and we'll say like now we have to use this treat as. Then again a summarize function will be used here. Then deem date, comma, deem date year, comma, month. Okay, deem date month. Then we'll close and then again we'll go to the monthly expense year, comma, monthly expense month. Close this and we'll see deem date, comma, deem date. The month will take and we give it example of say for December. Okay, and we'll commit this. Once we have it, okay, now we'll just try to understand it. See here. It is because we just have this particular data, it is giving us the expense total for that particular month. Okay, so you can see it is giving us for this particular month. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood how this treatise function works. We have already seen the theoretical version of it, as we have understood the theory, and now we have done with the practicals. Thanks for watching.